Apple's jaw-dropping event dazzled with the reveal of the iPhone 17 lineup and the ultra-slim iPhone Air. But as always, some of the most interesting upgrades weren't mentioned on stage. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech updates. Let's dig a little deeper and we'll find the iPhone 17 series is packed with improvements that could seriously change your day-to-day experience. First up, faster charging is finally here. With the new $39 dynamic power adapter, the iPhone 17 series can hit 50% charge in just 20 minutes, thanks to boost up to 60 watt in short bursts. And with support for 25 watt QI 2.2 wireless charging, you can ditch MagSafe if you prefer third-party gear. But this isn't for iPhone Air. It has one surprising twist. The MagSafe Battery's back, but it only snaps onto the flat-backed iPhone Air. On the iPhone 17s, the chunky camera bumps get in the way, but you can still use it via USB-C for smaller devices. Security also took a big leap forward. A new memory integrity enforcement system uses hidden tags to block high-end spyware, which is a major win for privacy enthusiasts. Then, finally, there's PWM flicker control added to the iPhone 17 Pro. A hidden accessibility setting now lets sensitive users disable the flickering that's long been linked to eye strain and headaches. And if you're wondering why titanium disappeared from the Pro models, it's all about heat. Apple quietly switched to aluminum frames and added vapor chambers to improve thermal management for the blazing fast A19 Pro chip. Even fine woven, Apple's controversial material isn't gone. It just shifted to wallets and key rings. So yes, the iPhone 17 may look familiar on the surface, but under the hood, it's packing some serious surprises. How many of these hidden features did you already know? Tell us in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.